Hi there, welcome to the Renault F1 team. They've just got back from the race and they've invited me for some exclusive behind the scenes access. So come on, follow me and I'll show you around. So we start at the beginning in reception with two fabulous cars, as you can see. Look what we've got here. Okay, so enough having fun. Now let's see where the real work happens. Welcome to the Renault F1 design office. Come meet my expert. What does the design office do?
So, in short, the design office goes from a concept to the real part. So we work out how can you make this idea, which is maybe just a sketch, maybe just a drawing, how can we make it reality? So we've got to make sure that it's strong enough, because the worst thing is if your suspension cracks and you can't go racing. So that's really important.
Sounds pretty terrible, actually.
Yeah, it normally works, so we're fine.
Excellent. Now we've seen how the parts are designed, let's see how they're made. Come follow me. A little bit noisy around here. So we're in the Renault F1 team production department, and this is my expert.
Hi, I'm Ian Pearce. I'm head of production here at Renault F1 team. We've got 16 machines. A lot of them are identical, so we can have flexibility of which parts we put on each machine. All of the parts are made from exotic metallic materials. There's a lump of steel which will be machined into a very intricate part. So,
okay. Wow, that is really, really heavy. I thought F1 cars were supposed to be light. They
are, but things have to be strong enough as well. This will actually be made very, very light. We'll just take a sneak peek around here at one of our brand new machines.
Oh, thank you.
This machine has arrived in the last couple of weeks. This is the start of a new phase of machines for us. Every 3 years we replace all of the machines. In August this year we're going to replace 13 machines. This is a much bigger machine than we've had in the past, and it gives us much more flexibility. It's a really exciting time for us.
Well, thank you very much for giving us a sneak peek.
That's okay.
And behind the scenes as well. Cheers.
Okay.
Now we've seen production, let's go and see what the electronics department holds. Come join me. Hi Phil.
Hello there.
What's the piece that people have been most familiar with?
Well, the obvious one is the steering wheel. It's a complicated item, and it's the main interface for the driver. Anything we need, we can put onto the steering wheel. You can see most of these knobs have multiple functions. We can generate as many functions as we need.
How long would a driver spend in the simulator?
Oh, we run it like a normal test day that they would at the track, so it's about 8 hours of driving a day, so it's quite a lot. They're usually pretty tired by the time they finish. They do about 130 laps a day, something like that.
Well, it looks amazing. Can I have a go?
Unfortunately not. It's limited to professional drivers only, unless you're a professional driver, of course.
Well, I wish I was. So, they wouldn't let me have a go in the simulator. They wouldn't let me have a go on the race car. But maybe they'll let me have a go in the truck that takes the race cars to the race. Let's have a look. So as you can see, the truck is filled with all of the kit ready to go to the next race. So a big thank you to Renault F1 team for allowing me behind the scenes access and exclusive secrets. We'll be at the next race. See you there. Yeah, you can just leave me here.